dust-free OCC wastewater dry pulping production line. Against the issue of fire prevention and control during dry pulp production, this line adopts composite water-resistant system to increase production capacity. The manufacturer reminds that to ensure stable equipment performance. Unpacking and sorting section. Use grabbing machine to feed unbundled and wire remove the paper bundle onto chain conveyor. Then send to wastewater unpacking machine. There are fixed spiral blades inside the trommel, and convex block feeding columns with equal moments are fixed on the spiral blades. The purpose of loose baling is achieved by rotating and rolling the waste cardboard bundle. At the same time, the trommel equipped with safe holes from large to small. In order to sort out impurities from roughly small ones, the impurities are sent to the collector by discharge conveyor. The waste paper baler is equipped with a dust removal device. The loose waste cardboard is sent to the sorting platform through a belt conveyor. Sort out the waste plastics, iron, stones, and other debris manually. The sorted waste cardboard is sent to the next process through the belt conveyor. Crushing section. The waste cardboard is fed into the room of the paper shredder through the conveyor. Get shredded using the principle of axial shearing. Shredded waste paper is fed into the buffer bin through a conveyor. The discharge conveyor is equipped with a powerful self-dumping iron remover. It can remove iron impurities such as nails. Pulp production section. Buffer bin output paper shift to 2-frequency conversion feeding conveyors and evenly feed them into the intelligent composite waste-rotor pulp making machine through distribution device. After being crafted by high-speed multi-hammer rotors, the paper becomes fibrous, discharged from special designed screen. Paper fiber fed into packaging machine through a closed feeding conveyor. They enter the packaging process. The dry pulp production system equipped with water-based device to prevent open flames from entering the pulp dust collector and causing major safety accidents. Entire system equipped with a PLC control system, visual touchscreen, one-click control system, real-time monitoring equipment fire, running status, fault alarm, effectively ensure the stable operation of the equipment.